welcome back to another video. I'm Tiquana, also known as Q, and today we have another styling video. So today we're going to be styling for leather weather, meaning I'm going to be incorporating some type of leather piece in each outfit. So please like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And if you like these types of videos, keep watching. For this first outfit, we're going to start with this black v-neck. It's like a low-cut v-neck. I think this might be American Apparel. It's very old. The hemmings is falling out and wore the hemmings out of it. But we're going to put it underneath something so it'll be fine. The bra I have on a push-up bra, so that's why the girls are saying hello. And we're going to pair that with this maxi skirt from AQUA. I'll link it down below if it's still available. This is old though. I don't know if it was 2 years ago or a year ago, but I think they have similar stuff on the site. And this skirt gives a little Morticia, but I love it. Have I ever worn this skirt out? I don't be going nowhere. For shoes, we're going to wear these because this skirt has a split, and I want to see, like, when you walk, a little red. Okay, we're going to pop this leather Zara jacket on top of it. And we're going to wear the jacket kind of like a coat, like a shirt, kind of. Like the jacket is part of the outfit. So we can zip it up, or we can let some of the girls show, which I want some of the girls to show. This is like for date night. It's the holiday season, so you might have like people in town you want to go outside. People you ain't seen in a while, so you can look cute. Okay, we have this on, and we can wear it like this, but let's just boring. You gotta roll your sleeves up. It just make it so much fly. And I just have on regular jewelry. For bag, we're gonna do our BCBG clutch. And today in Cleveland, we have sunshine, so we're gonna wear sunglasses. We're gonna do these Celine sunglasses, and this is the look. The skirt is like hard to walk in, but it's not for walking, it's for sitting pretty. Okay, you sit pretty in this kind of skirt. For our next look, we're going to start with this marine sur top. It is like a sheer mesh top with like a little print on it. I want to pair this top with my faux leather joggers from Zara. For shoes, we're going to just wear these pumps because these joggers are a little long. They just regular black pumps from Aldo. The joggers are a little long and I need a heel, because I ain't going to like it cuffed. Okay, for a jacket, I want to do this puffer. It's like when it's cold, but it ain't cold, but it is cold. And this got a little makeup around the collar. I need to put this in the cleaners. But we're going to wear this. No. For sunglasses, we're going to do these Gucci frames. And for a bag, we're going to do the Goyard vanity, and we're going to leave a strap on it because we casual, but we super cute. And that is the look. I love this little cake thing. If it's not sunny, I will probably do a tinted pair of glasses, but because the sun is out, I wear our glasses. For our next look, we're going to start with this brown bodysuit from Express. We're going to pair that with this brown skirt that I got from Curated Styles by the brand Lush. And this is a size large. For shoes, we're going to wear these shark boot dupes from Steve Madden. They have like a little croc print on them, but it'll be fine. So now I wanted to dress this look down. So I just want to dress this look down. So I don't know where we're going, but it's like somewhere but nowhere. So I want to pop this vest on from AQUA. For sunglasses, we're going to do these green sunglasses from Free People, just to like, because we got green in our vest. And for bag, we're going to do the Loewe crossbody. If you want, you can wear tights, but for the sake of the video, I just don't have one anymore. And that is the look. Now, I will probably wear this to like a basketball game, not high school basketball, but like NBA. Where you want to be cute, but you don't want to like do too much, because these boots are like, you can wear flat boots too. You don't have to wear a heel, but I only have heels in this color, so that's why I wear these heels. And yeah, but these are comfortable. They're not like a high heel, so yeah. And that is the look. For our next look, I want to start with this bodysuit from Command. It's a faux leather bodysuit. And I like to pair that with my BDU Army Fatigues from Amazon. From shoes, we're gonna wear these pumps from Aldo. It's just a regular pump. Okay, for jacket, we're going to wear this Avec les Fils jacket from, where did I get this from? Anthropologie. For sunglasses, we're going to wear these from Amazon. And then for bag, we're going to wear the Goyard again because it's going to bring out the tan in the jacket. And that is the look. For our next look, I want to wear this long sleeve crop top from Zara. I'm going to pair that with these flare jeans from, they're cream, from Free People. I think I might have bought them at Dillard's though, on sale. For shoes, we're going to do these pumps. They're like nude pumps. You can't even see them. For our leather component, I'm going to put on this. It's like a faux leather dress or jacket, depending on how you want to wear it. And this is from Jluxlabel. It felt like it was missing something, so I added this fur raccoon headband on to give me some razzle dazzle on the collar. And I'm liking that much better. For sunglasses, we're going to do these Loewe rimless glasses. And then for bag, we're going to do the Bottega dupe. And that is the look. The fur makes it like regal to me. It was like missing something. And then as for jacket, I might wear that cape jacket on this because you don't want your arms out or like something just draped over a little shawl or something. But that is the look. That completes this leather weather video. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And always keep it cute. I'll see you tomorrow.